Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BaoGN. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Today, I will show you how to change font style and font size on your phone. Firstly, go to Settings and select Display. You can change font style and font size on some phones without downloading from the store like mine. However, on Xiaomi phones, you need to download font style. Now, let's change the font size. Here, you will see different font sizes that you can adjust according to your preference. That's it. Changing font style and font size on your phone is easy. I wish you all the success.